If your Google Chrome language changed and you want to switch it back to English, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change Google Chrome language back to English step by step, even if the menus are in a language you don't fully understand. This is a super useful fix if Chrome suddenly opened in another language, if you're helping someone else with their browser, or if you just want everything back to normal. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu. From there, click Settings. If Chrome is in another language, you may still be able to recognize the Settings option by the gear icon or by looking for the menu item near the bottom of the list. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Languages section. You can either search for the word language in the settings search bar or scroll until you find languages in the sidebar. Click on it to open your language options. Now, check whether English is already listed. If you already see English, great, you can move on to the next step. But if English is missing, click Add Languages. A list of available languages will appear. In the search box, type English, then select English from the results and click Add. After that, English should now appear in your language list. Next, we need to make English the default display language for Chrome. Find English in the list, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Display Google Chrome in this language. This tells Chrome to use English for the browser interface. After selecting it, Chrome may ask you to restart the browser. When you see the Relaunch button, click it. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, and once it starts back up, the menus and settings should now be in English. If it still doesn't change right away, check that English is at the top of your language list and repeat the relaunch step one more time. And that's it. You've successfully changed Google Chrome language back to English. Hopefully, this made the process simple and fast. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides just like this one.